Rauschenberg was an American painter and graphic artist whose early work anticipated the pop art movement. Rauschenberg is well known for his campaigns of the 1950s, in which non-traditional materials and objects were employed in innovative combination. Rauschenberg was both a painter and sculptor, and the compose are combination of the both. But he also worked with photograph, printmaking, papermaking, and performance. He was awarded the National Medal of the Arts in 1993. He became the recipient of the Leonardo da Vinci Award awarded of the Art in 1995. Rauschenberg lived and worked in New York City, as well as on Captive Island, Florida, until his death from heart failure on May 12, 2008. At 16 years old, Rauschenberg was admitted to the University of Texas, where he began studying pharmacy. He was drafted into the United States Navy in 1943, based in California. He served as a mental hospital technical unit until his discharge in 1945. Rauschenberg later studied at the Kansas City Art Institute and the Académie Giuliano in Paris, France, where he met the painter Susan Well. In 1948, Rauschenberg and Well decided to attend the Black Mountain College in North Carolina. He one of most important artists who do the collage, photograph collage. He makes many pictures in one painting and do the samplage art, who is many piece of many old things, something he found it already to make a art piece. And this art piece sometimes be 3-dimension, like the stuffed goats. It's appeared in the Gallery of Art exhibition for contemporary American artists. He do many white painting, just white, nothing with this thing, and he is do a serial for black painting, but he be so special with the 3-dimension sculptures and painting and many things, like he's put many old materials, or it's used with many things like fruit or animals, and he opened the door for postmodernism art. He did the foundation for pop art school around the world, not just in America, and make a big school and make the future for the art around the world.